Rain Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Rain Access Solutions, I'm going to answer a question from one of our viewers. And this is with regards to one of our videos before, which is about the installation of hMail server. The viewer wrote, any idea on how to set up hMail server with Thunderbird? I blurred out the name of our viewer to keep his privacy. I have a Thunderbird app here on my PC, and I'm going to install a new email account from hmailserver. I'm going to click on a new email under set up your existing email address. I'm going to type in the name of the person, and that will be me, and its email address. After filling up the password, click on the Configure manually. I will change the incoming server protocol to POP3 and the outgoing server protocol to POP3 as well. But before that, I'm going to type in the IP address of the host name for my incoming server. And that will go the same for our outgoing server. Now the port for incoming is 110 and the default outgoing port is 25. And we are not using any SSL securities. So this is a non-SSL type account. For connection security options and authentication method, leave it as a auto detect. But feel free to test out other options. Click on the retest button to test the settings and click on the done button when you are done setting up. And because we did not set up a connection security, this warning will come out. Ignore it. So there you go, we're done. And the new account is added to the Thunderbird email client. And as you can see, it's downloading the email headers. I'm sorry though, because I have to blur out the emails. They contain sensitive data. But all in all, this is how you add the email address to Thunderbird from hMailserver. Now for his other question with regards to setting up a bulk mail, I believe he said 400 emails to different emails. I haven't tried that because it sounds like spamming, although I believe that was not your intention. But I also don't have 400 different emails to test this out. But maybe in the future, if I find the necessity to do it, I will try and set up a bulk email. That's all, everyone, and I hope I have given the right answer to our viewer. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and click the like button. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you for watching.